If you are trying to decide whether you should go overseas for work, you're likely wondering how much money you could send home and how much you could save. But to get there, people often end up paying more money than they expect. So how much could you really save? To find out, you need to know how much it'll cost, how much you'll earn, and if you'll need to borrow money, how much of your earnings you'll have to use to pay back the loan. Then you can calculate how much you can save in the end. We made a calculator to help you understand the costs of migration to help you make your decision. Let's see how to use it. Suppose that you decided to go to Malaysia to work. The agent said your job will pay 40,000 taka per month. Input this amount in the Salary tab. Your agent may tell you the total cost of their fees, or you can ask the agent for the cost breakdown of the documents, visa, and flight. You can input the total amount or the costs of each document and let the calculator add it up for you. Altogether, your costs total 320,000 taka. If you decide to borrow money to pay for the fees, you'll need to know when you'll have to pay it all back and the extra interest that you'll have to pay to the lender. Type in the loan amount, the repayment period, and the interest amount, in this case 25%, a very high rate. It says that the total loan repayment amount is 400,000 taka. This is almost 10 times the amount of your expected monthly wages. This means you would need to pay about 16,000 taka every month for 24 months. If you want to send 20,000 home to your family each month, the calculator shows that you'll have almost no money left for your other living expenses. You can see in the review how much money you have left to spend or save after you pay the loan and send money home. There's just one question left. Is it right for you? Migrating for work can be a great opportunity, but it can also be risky. Some workers miscalculate or get deceived by an agent and end up with no savings. Remember that if you need to take on a loan, there are low-cost loan options, such as the Probashi Kalyan Bank. Use the calculator to help you decide if the job and working overseas makes financial sense for you.